How to get fast delivery on Shein. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to get a fast delivery on Shein. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Shein on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can use the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on the home page of Shein. So I'm just going to go to my account first, or my profiles, to see all of my order. So right here in my ship section, this is all the items that I ordered, and if I want them to be delivered as fast as possible, I can click this one, urgent delivery, so that it will be delivered at an earlier date. So that's it. So if you click that, as you can see, it says that we have contact the logistic provider again to handle it as soon as possible, and your package is expected to arrive earlier than it should be. And yeah, that's it. You can just click OK and you're done. And yeah, that's how you get your order delivered fast. And yeah, that's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.